Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain how to convert PDF to images. That means, let's say if I have a PDF with 3 pages, then what I will do is I'll convert that into images. That is each page into one image. Since 3 pages in the PDF, I'll get 3 images. So like that, I need to convert. So I'll explain you how to do that. So first, let's take a file path where our file is present. So that path we need to take. Currently I'm taking this sample.pdf. This PDF file I'm taking. Then in order to do this conversion, that is a PDF to images, we require some package, that is Fitz. So if I import this, then what happens is there is no module named or package named Fitz is there. So in order to install it, you need to use this pip install PyMuPDF. So this package you need to install so that this will install this Fitz. Through this you can get able to get this Fitz. Now let's run this cell. Yeah, you can see we are not getting any error now after installing this PyMuPDF. Now let's try to load this file using this Fitz, or you can say let's open this file using this Fitz method. Fitz.open off. So what is the file path that we need to provide here? File path I provided so that Fitz can open this and take it as a document. So now I'm storing it in this doc variable. You can remember that this as document, and if I print that, then you can able to understood it as a document. It Fitz opened that file, PDF document file, and stored in this variable. Now I want to get the count of number of pages. So for that you have this page count option is there, document dot page count. It will provide you number of pages, document dot page count. So since 4 pages are there, so 4 I'll get. So each and every time what I need, that page content I need to extract and I'll make it into image and I'll need to save it, right? Yes. So for now first I'll print how many pages are there. For each page number, okay, in range of, we need to use a range function in order to get a range of values. So 0 to 3 it got printed since 4 pages are there, 0th page, first page, second page, and third page are printed. Now, so in each page, what I require, that page related content I need to take, or yeah, that page related pixel image I need to take. So in order to take or in order to load that page inside this document based on that page number, you can use this method, document dot load page, which is present in which page number. Like in the current page number, what page is there that I am loading. So and storing it in this page variable. And from this page, what I require, I need image, right? Yes. So how to get the image? You can simply use get pix map. So this is the method you can use in order to convert that page into image. So that is nothing but you can say it as image. So pixels mapping that you will get from this. So after that, what I want to do, I want to save that image here in this path. Let's take output path is equals to current folder. Now there I want to save it. So in order to save this image there, so what you need to do is pix dot. You can say this image in this image variable, right? My image is present. So image dot save off. So where where I want to save. I want to save in output path. Output path extending with output path extending with what, this page number. So since multiple pages are there, right? Yes. So based on the page number, I'm extending it and storing it in .png file. That's it. So after that, if you want the locations, if you want to save the locations, then you can even save, or if you want to print that is like some message, then also you can able to print. You can see if I run it, that was run successfully, and here you can see the pages was visible. The first page content will be this, and the that is a zeroth page is that, first page is this photo, second page photo is this, third page photo is this. That means totally four pages are there. In four pages, in which page what content is there, that will be, you can say we got it, right? Yes. So very simple. Using this Fitz, just open the file so that your document will be loaded, and using the document find the pages count in order to open each and every page and get that image of that page. So how to open that page? In order to open the page, you can use this document.load page, and you can provide your page number so that that page will be loaded. From that page, you need the image, right? Yes. So how to get it is, get underscore pix map is the method that you can use along with that page so that you can able to get the image. Then in order to save that image in which path you want, in that output path you will mention, and image.save method you can use and provide that output path along with unique names in order to save in distinct images. If you provide the same name, then each page will be overlapped and finally only one image will be there. So that's why, so based on page number I am saving, so that each page number will be unique, so multiple images got saved. If I not provide this page number, or if I provide some one here, then what happens is, in one variable or in one .png itself, every file got saved. Then overall I have only the last page, that is this page 3 related image will be there. So that's why I'm using this page number I'm using this page number as a prefix. So for your purpose, I'm rerunning it again, and yeah, converted. Yeah, you can see that's done. So that's it. In simple, how to create images from a PDF to images. I hope you understood this video and this video is useful to you. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.